Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into the TCL Linkhub web admin panel. So first, what you guys want to do is get the password from underneath the router. So this is something that you need to take a picture of so it's easier to type in. Now whenever I rotate my router, you guys won't be able to see this probably, but here there's a lot of information that you need to just take a picture of, and then you'll be able to just enter them in the site. So here we type in 192.168.1.1, and we are already on the TCL 5G CPE site. Now here what are we doing is we're entering the password. So the passwords may vary. There's two passwords. There's a password and a Wi-Fi key, so it might be hard to get, but now let me quickly just enter my password and see if that works. Now as you guys can see, I've entered the password. We're gonna click login, and here we get information. For better security, it's recommended you change the default administrator login password. So you can change it, you don't have to. We're gonna click cancel, and of course you can save your password. And as you guys can see here, we got everything. So we got the home, we get the information, we get the status, also the LAN, Wi-Fi, WAN, diagnostics and connected devices. So I am connected right here. Services, we get a lot of stuff, and we basically just entered our credentials. We get all of the information that we should, and here we can adjust everything. So we can even change the bandwidth control, we can enable the bridge mode, parental control, and as you guys can see in the parental control, you can enable it, and this will basically block some URLs for an example. So here, as you guys can see, we got everything already, and we can change our router. So that's how you guys can easily log into the TCL Linkhub web admin panel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.